start browning it up there, going good. So with that recipe for Espagnole, I have 4 ounces of onion, 2 ounces of carrot, 2 ounces of celery. Butter as needed, about a half an ounce. You good? Everybody good? You ready to notes? No? Because you got it? So you wrote out your recipe already, the note cards, that's good. Your book, you're not having your book out when you're in production. I told you that. So your note cards, you write out note cards first, Epson? Yeah, all right, good. Did you leave room next to the ingredient? Get in the habit of leaving room so that when I say you wrote down 8 ounces of onions when we only need 4 ounces of onions, you write down a 4 instead. So that's going. What temperature do I have this on?
High.
Yeah, now I'm going to turn it down a little bit. But, you know, it is culinary school. I know we only have 2 temperatures. Get out of the culinary school idea and learn what medium means. Medium high. All right, going back to the recipe. 4 ounces of onion, 2 ounces of carrot, 2 ounces of celery, butter as needed. Tomato paste as needed, or roughly about an ounce of tomato paste. If we have tomato puree up here, you're going to use 2 ounces. You're going to use more puree than you are paste. I have paste. We're going to go roughly, that's about 2 tablespoons, an ounce. Visualize. Yes, tomato, about that much. All right.
Quite a bit.
Yeah, it's quite a bit. Way too thick. It's thick, yeah. Yeah, okay, yeah. About that much tomato paste, yeah. Tomato paste there. I have after that, I have my veal stock. I have 32 ounces, 1 quart. The recipe calls for making it in a gallon recipe, and if we're doing 25% of a gallon, how much would that be? So why is it in the book says to use 6 quarts in that recipe?
But they're going to reduce it?
It's going to reduce down to get to the 1 quart. I am not doing that part. We're going to end up with roughly, we should end up with about 12 ounces of finished product when we're done. 12 ounces is 1 quart here. No, it's going to be more than 12 ounces. It's going to be like 24 ounces minus a cup. It's going to be roughly where my hand is in this size container if you use this size. Roughly 20 ounces finished product. I have my brown, and then after that, brown roux as needed. I have this brown roux and then my other brown roux. Perfect. There. You're going to find out that might be enough. But the recipe called for a lot of roux and making the roux in the pan, adding the mirepoix from that. I rarely do it that way. Because when you do it that way, you don't know how thick your stock is. If it's very gelatinous or very weak sauce, you end up having too much roux in it and it's being too thick on you. So, extra. That goes next, that goes after that. Working neat and clean and organized. I have that, finishing it with this. And then on top of it, we have a sachet. What's a sachet?
Okay,
That's this.
Baby thyme and parsley.
That's on YouTube too.
I understand our friends in Pakistan. There's a lot of, some website from Pakistan came up on Chef Sahoni's, and hi everybody in Pakistan. So what's a sachet?
Bay leaf, thyme and parsley.
No, it's not. It's a sachet.
No.
Yeah, I know. I'm a very uncoordinated person, yeah. Cheesecloth, half a bay leaf.
Pump
Pinch of thyme.
from Queen.
2 to 3 parsley stems. Black peppercorns. Black peppercorns is not in the recipe, okay? By the way, my recipes will be left up here while we're in production. So you can look this one down. But then again, you wrote it down already, didn't you? Yeah, so it's right there. It's all you had everything, but not the amounts. The sachets in there. Sheesh. Okay, I'm getting a little color here. Nice. Coming in, she sees it. Okay? Okay. Alright. GBD, golden brown. Delicious. GBD. Keep it going. Alright, that's going. Should I do something else now? Or am I going to do one thing at a time?
Let's do something else now.
Yeah, I should.
Oh,
So, next recipe. Which one takes the hardest? Next hardest?
Velouté.
Velouté or bechamel?
Velouté.
Actually, I think bechamel is harder.
What?
It takes longer than velouté cooks, and on top of it, it's harder because it always tends. Well, okay, it is harder. I think it is. But then, am I going to do it next?
Yeah.
No, I'm not going to do velouté first. Why? Because I always tend to burn my bechamel. So if I end up burning my bechamel, I have to start all over, and I don't want to do that, so I'm going to have to cook it last.